Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about the voice, the power of voice, why voting matters. I'm so glad to be here today to talk about something important like voting. Now, I know some people might think it's just another chore like doing laundry or taking out the trash, but trust me, it's way more exciting than that. Voting in our chance make difference the world to shape the world we live in. So let's dive into why your vote truly matters. First off, voting is your voice. Think of it like every time you vote, you are telling the people in charge what you want, whether it's better school, cleaner parks, or safer streets. Your vote is how you speak up. It's like having a megaphone in a crowd. Your voice gets heard. Now, what happens when your voice gets heard? Well, elected officials make decisions about the things that matter most of us. They decide on healthcare, education, and even the environment. By voting, you're helping to put people in office to share views. These are the people who make laws you actually agreed with. It's like choosing a different ingredients, your favorite dish. And voting isn't big national issue. It also affects the local community. Think about the school your siblings go to, the roads you drive on, the public services you use every day. Voting helps decide how the community grows and improves. It's like planting a seed in your neighborhood. You're helping it blossom. Here's a cool part. Voting keeps the leaders in check. If they are not doing a good job, you can vote them out. Knowing they need to earn your vote pushes them to lessen and act in the best interest of the people. It's like having a report card for your leaders. You get to grade them what they're doing. Voting also helps protect our basic freedoms. It ensures everyone has a say in decisions that affect their lives. It's like having a shield and guards of our values and beliefs. And let's not forget, voting is especially important to groups what have been historically left out. It gives them a chance to fight for equality or fair treatment. It's like giving everyone a seat at a table, making sure all voices are heard. Finally, voting is a key of part of being a good citizen. It's a way you show you care about your country and its future. It's like being a part of the team. You are doing your part to make the decision better for everyone. So next time you think about skipping an election, remember this. Your vote is powerful. Your voice, your chance to shape policies, improve your community, hold leaders accountable, protect rights, empower them, and fulfill your civic duty. Don't let the power go to waste. Get out there and vote. Thanks everyone.